you can define, for example, that the HR team can see one table or one app, and finance teams can see the same app but with a few other information, or maybe they have separate apps for each team. So here we are going to show you how to give or remove powers from specific users. So what is a role? A role is a group of rules that you have and for defining powers for each user that you have. This user could be a builder or a member. So let's create a role. If you want to create a role, you can come here on your left menu and select roles. Here are the standard roles. Every account comes with these 3 roles. So if you are the account owner, you always need to be a super root admin in order to do whatever you want, including deleting your account. And it comes also with other 2 standard roles for your company. But the most valuable part is that you can actually create new roles for your company. So let's create one. So instead of new role, let's call it sales. Okay. I will say that sales is purple, and I will customize its powers. Let's save it first. So system admin. Sales can manage roles? No. If it's a no, is deactivated. Manage users. Can they add or remove users? In my view, sales doesn't need this power right now. Building. Creating new tables. Maybe for sales managers, you want them to create new tables. Let's give them this power just as an example. Manage folders, manage no-code automations. This is important if you need them to edit an automation or maybe turn it off. So assuming that this salesperson is actually a builder, I will allow this. I will not allow low-code access. This is really important. If you give low-code powers, you're giving a lot of power for this builder. So only give low-code powers for people that you trust a lot or that actually should have this power. Settings. Can access settings? No. They can access history log and settings. In this case, it's interesting because history log, we will talk about this in another video, but basically shows you everything that happened inside the company. Maybe I want to give this salesperson a lot of information for them to act fast if they need to. Team and colors, no, it's not important. So these are the basic powers that you can give for a person inside the organization. So let's manage who can do this. In this case, there's only me on this account, so I have 0 members. But if you have more people on your company, you will just select the people and add here as manage members. Manage tabs. Tabs are apps or tables. So you can come here and let's select the onboarding. No, let's take the client information form. And let's see if there is sales something here. Sales. Onboarding forms, onboarding questionnaire, onboarding. Add everything. So that's it. Now I created all the rules for my sales goal. You can see here there's 0 users right now because I didn't select anyone. I can edit this anytime that I want. So if I come here and I click, I can give more powers or remove powers. I can see the members. I can see all the parts of the system that I gave them access. And you may be wondering, can I give access to an app, but only for the information that this specific person is an owner, or if it's high priority, or it's under 10K expense and this kind of stuff? Of course, you can do this. For doing this, we will show you in another video. It's called advanced permissioning. The advanced permissioning part, it's this one. So it's a little bit more complex, and we'll show you on another video. And so managing roles and creating roles, it's here. You can exclude, you can change. Every person will always have one role. So you can change roles, but they cannot accumulate roles. So if you need something that's really specific, create a really specific role for this person or team, and then the rules will apply for these members or builders.